Old Smoky. Look at that. Ow. Let's see what we got cooking here today. Oh! Look, I just seared these steaks. I put them on for like maybe a minute and a half each side. I'm pulling them back, get them off the heat. Got a big piece of oak sitting in there. It's causing most of the smoke. Got some mushrooms up here. They're kind of cooking in themselves. They kind of boil themselves. And of course, some burgers for the kids. And I'm drinking some adult beverages. Old 5.9er. Ooh. That was so good I had to take 2 swigs. These are T-bones. Picked them up on sale yesterday at Giant. $3.69 a pound. Can't beat it. That's a steal. Might have to take another sip. Of course, I got another one in the holster ready to go.